Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software updates for your speaker SOUNDCORE Boom 3i. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application, and of course you need your speaker should be connected with the app. Then you can tap on it at the device list, and we need to go to the settings at the right top. Right here we have update firmware line. Firmware is the same as software. Near to it we have your current version, but to check for updates you need to tap at this line. It check for updates. It said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, in this menu you will see a button download. You tap at the download and then tap at the install. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!